Hi Stephanie. I wanted to take a few minutes to give you a short video on how to open and close your display case. It's really easy, but it's just not real obvious. The two halves are held together by these four little magnets, but they're pretty strong, so you can't really pull them straight apart. I worked out a system so you actually kind of slide them apart, pivoting the top part of the case on this little brass pin right here. So the pendant, there's a little ring that I added to the pendant, and that goes over this little brass peg here. And then there's a little O-ring that I found that will help make sure that once the case is together that it doesn't slip, the pendant doesn't slip off that peg like that. So I just slipped that on there loosely. You can take your chain and store it, oh, the magnet grabbed it, and store it in one of these recesses on the inside here too, like that. So then you'd take the top and find this little hole here and kind of line it up so that the magnets aren't right on top of each other, and find that little brass peg on the bottom part, and then just simply rotate the two halves together, and the magnets grab it and keep it very solid, nice and held together. To take it apart, it just really simply the reverse of that. You just slide the top part, kind of rotate the top part only about that far, just so the magnets aren't lined up anymore, and then the top part comes off real easily, and that opens it back up. So that is how easy it is to open and close it. Once you have the pendant in the case and the case all closed up, then it's a very simple matter to put it into the display stand. This display stand I made out of a piece of cherry that came from a tree that my brother cut down from his yard in Ohio and dried it, and he gave me several pieces of it to use. I thought the cherry made a nice contrast with the light maple color on the wood. But it's just a simple stand, and it has the contour of the bottom of the display case. So it simply just slips in like that, and that is the display. See if I can turn the camera around a little bit and get in the center. Just like that. So it was a really fun project. Thank you for asking me and providing the pendant and collaborating with me on the design and everything. It was really fun, and I hope you enjoy it. Take care. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. By the way, as you know, it's always good to have an assistant when you're doing projects. Even if they are asleep on the job, it's still good moral support. Murphy says hello.